So it's been a little while. We did the part 1 on that, wrapping it. We've had so much work that we've never had a chance to actually do the part 2 and continue with the build. So what we've done, we've just had the wheels, new tires and everything fitted. I've just literally ceramic coated them so they are nice and protected. They are going to go on the car. Them are the old wheels in the corner. They'll probably go on the van because yeah, just change it up a little bit. Jake's Audi done the calipers. We've matched the calipers to the color of the wrap, so that's gonna look quite nice, I think, with the carbon and stuff like that through the silver wheels. But the most important part now is opening these presents that have been sitting in the corner for a very long time and have just been killing me, because I'm very excited to get this all fitted. So what we'll do, we'll unpack it, see what's in the boxes. I've never personally done one before, so this will be something new for me as well. Fingers crossed we can't get it done, but yeah, let's get opening. I need to get a knife. Right, let's open this up, see what's in this. I think it will probably be the air tank, but let's see. It says fragile. It says fragile, I just ripped it off. Yes, that's a bad boy air tank. Stainless steel, a bit. We'll probably do something with that down the line. I want to get it all connected up and working before we mess around with any cool stuff. But probably down the line we'll do like a boat build or something like that as well on it. Right, which one we're gonna take next? There's too many, I can't decide. Let's do this. Let's see what's in there. Airlift Performance User Guide, we'll need that. So, what we've got in here, we've got some airlines. I think they'll probably be for the front struts, because these are the front struts in here. So it'll probably be everything to do with this. So what we've got here, oh, it's the little connector valves for the airlines. Right, so I'll leave them there. Hopefully we don't lose them. I should have unpacked it before the bin man come. Now the bin is gonna be filled with everything again. Oh, look at these bad boys. Oh, I'm very excited to put these on now. Oh, that's smaller than I imagined, the bag. The bag itself? What? Everyone's been on about that you need to drill through the car to access adjustment. There's no adjustment on the top. So what? It's not like the BC coilovers where you adjust like damping and stuff like that on top. So literally this, yeah, there's no camber adjustment, there's no damping adjustment. Literally, this is going to be the height adjustment. Like obviously the lowest you can go, like normal coilovers. So I don't think it's going to be that bad, to be honest. You don't need to drill anything and try to line it up. Should be alright. Oh, I'm lying. That's the adjuster there. That's the little thing that goes on the top there, I think. So I must go through there. Oh, does it? Yeah. Oh yeah, so it says, oh yeah, so it says damper adjustment, so, alright. Never mind, we will have to drill it. Well, it's quite interesting that we're gonna take you through the process of not knowing what we are doing, and hopefully we're not gonna break anything. If we do, it's Jake's fault. Right, put this back so we don't lose it. We know what's in there. What else we've got? Right, another user guide. Oh, that'll probably be for these parts, won't it? So it'll be like different user guide for different parts. Made in the USA. Oh, these are gonna be the back ones, aren't they? Oh, some arms must also need changing on the back. Let's have a look. Well, these might be. Oh, it'll probably be this one, won't it? See, on there, so it probably doesn't rub against the bag or something. See, that's straight. It's very close to the spring. When you air it out, when it goes down, we'll probably need to go there. So it gives it a little bit more room. Does it say? Tolling Audi rear. It doesn't say which side. Right, we'll have to figure that one out. Probably won't matter that much, I would have thought. Looks pretty much the same on both. Saying that, probably not. Right, we'll figure that out. Okay, so that's one. What else have we got in here? Well, we've got new shockers as well. Ooh. Oh, and you can just hard soft, I would have thought. So we'll probably just stamp this on there. Shouldn't have twisted that, shouldn't I? Nice. Nice. These are gonna be the bags, aren't they? A lot of connectors and stuff. What's in there? That's absolutely tiny compared to the spring, isn't it? What is this? Let's have a look. No idea. I can feel that this is gonna be fun. There's some ball that's hanging out. Okay, I think this time we are not gonna do that. Like start doing it, and then when you struggle, go with the manual. We'll probably start with the manual with this one, because I don't really wanna break something or damage something, because it's expensive stuff. Like, well, like this way. That's where the airline goes. So I think. Yeah, that's what I thought. So it must be going like, I don't know. Unless there's something that comes on the top there. Oh, so there's like an angle bit, so that must screw in there, and then just like airline attached to it, probably. Oh, there's some other mounts. So they'll probably be where the little rubber rings sit. Too many parts for me. Should have probably took it somewhere to get it on, but there you go. This will be quite interesting. What are these? Even more parts. Is that you can have your tea out of that or what? Right. Well, we'll just have to go with the user manual with this and then see what the crack is. Nice. I'm guessing this is gonna be all the all the brains and everything else in there. So what we've got here, some airlines, some bolts, kit specification list, don't need that. Oh yeah. No idea what that said. Designed for life on air. Why? Oh, that's gonna be the remote, isn't it? Yeah. Hello, could I air out, please? Nice. We'll leave that in the box, just so it doesn't get damaged. I'm wondering, right? So obviously this has got a cable that needs connecting. I am quite sure you should be able to get like a little Bluetooth thing that plugs in there, and that in the other end to like instead of having a wire, to make it wireless. Only thing, like charging it, you won't have a battery with it. I'll probably be just taking the power from that and like feeding it through now. Never mind, no need to run a wire. It is weird though, like nowadays, what's connected with a wire. Right there. Obviously that's the management, so all the airlines go there, so it'll probably be front, left, rear, front, right, rear, left, rear, right. TE, tank, exhaust maybe? Yeah. So let's see. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Nah, no idea. All the gear, no idea. A lot of connectors and a lot of things. Oh, look at that.
Oh, you got wires, that's put a tube in it.
Oh yeah.
Put the tube there.
Smart, aren't you?
Hey, I'm not putting that back now. Is that another colour of the calipers, though, is it?
Yeah.
No, that's primer.
No.
It's tube.
No. Why? Do you not like it?
No.
Why?
Probably the same colour as the car.
It is the same colour as the car? Almost.
Is it shite?
Oh.
And I'm colourblind. You might have had a choice. That's primer. It's nowhere near the colour of the car.
That's a lot lighter, isn't
Nowhere
it?
near.
It's lighter, isn't it?
It's horrible. What a horrible colour. Now it looks like red lead. Now like when they do steel work. Did they match her as well?
I think it'll look alright once it goes on the wheels are going on.
No,
Yeah, it will do.
Now while you're at this stage, like,
Nah.
what do you think of the colour? It's fucking horrible, isn't it? I don't know, it doesn't match, does it? It doesn't match the car, like.
I think that's the airlines. Yep, that's the L. Oh, and the wiring loom as well. So that must just like Huh, and that's like the USB for the remote. That's a kind of thick wire, so I don't even know where that would go to. Well, the manifold. Something's gonna plug into the air compressor probably. But I don't need it that long. Yeah. Oh, because so some cars might have the battery in the front. That'll be that, and that'll probably be the compressor. Yeah. Well, baby, compressor. And that probably just goes straight in the tank, I bet. Inlet port. Right, only thing we've left will be getting it all fitted.